So when putting a deck reducer on and off the Grizzly, you want to make sure both the Grizzly and the tractor are on the same level ground. You want to approach the bucket hooks and you want to approximate center. You want to make sure both the Grizzly and the tractor are on level ground. You want to make sure your bucket is approximately set at a 45 degree, the same angle as the deck. Curl it forward to get up underneath those bucket hooks. First move you're going to do is, once you feel like you're up underneath it, you're going to put the tractor into reverse and then boom up. When it's in reverse, boom up. Get the bottom up off the deck and then curl it off the top. That's how you're going to do it. You're going to curl it off the top and then same thing. Curl it back down and then you want to back out and let it fall. Just like that. So again, you drive up, you get up underneath the bucket hooks, you raise up underneath, when you feel like you're up underneath the bucket hooks, first thing you do is put it in reverse. So back out just a little bit, then you boom up to get it up above the bottom of the deck bars, up nice and high, and then you curl it off the top. Then you curl it back down, and then you're gonna curl it back down and back out and let it slam. And the reason is it has centering tabs to center this deck reducer up. Just like that.